guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair right here. I hope all of you guys had a happy Mother's Day. This is one of the Mother's Day gifts that I received, and my mom did give me this. I did tell her that I wanted a wig. She asked me like, what do you want for Mother's Day? You guys know I want this for everything: anniversary, birthday, Christmas, like wigs. So yeah, I was like, I specifically asked for a wig and for a black wig, and she knows like I'm not a huge fan of lace fronts. She did give me one that has a bang, which I love and I'm super happy for, so I do not have to cut any lace. I literally took this out of the packaging and threw it on, which I'm happy with. So here it is right here. You guys see, if I go like this, you guys, they do have a middle part that has some scalp in it right there. Don't have to cut anything. It does come like that. I did went ahead and put some hair on the side. You guys know this is really like how I like to wear it, or all the way over. This is like my go-to. So if you see me anywhere and everywhere, this could be the hairstyle. Or you could do it like this. Like this hair, like literally my fingers are like going right through it. I just literally ran my brush through it like once with the brush, and my fingers just go right through. So quality is great. It is synthetic. It is heat resistant though. So the ends did come like a little curled. If I did want to straighten that, I could. If I didn't want to put more curls in, I could. But I'm just going to leave it how it is. I'm sure eventually I will have to straighten it. But for the meantime, the only thing you need for this type of wig is a brush, and you're good to go. So show you guys the back. These are the back looks. With this wig, you can do many styles: ponytail to the side, claw clip, which sometimes I'll do this like running to go check them out, whatever. Super cute claw clip style, bun. Just put like a messy bun in the back. Very versatile, as if you were styling your natural hair. Okay, I went in and unboxed the wig right here. This is just the packaging, the hair net that comes with the wig, this to shape it, and then the bag. But it does come with a wig cap right here. It's just the black wig cap, and I like these better because they're more comfortable. I know like the tan ones are like really tight, so these ones I do recommend a lot more. Right here is the wig. So there it does have paper inside, you know, just to shape it. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and like I said before, this is a non-lace front, which is my favorite. So you guys see, of course, I'm gonna have my side bang. Who is stuck in like 2010 from high school? It's me, because if I don't know anything else, but one thing, I'm gonna have a bang. That's one thing you should know about me. I'm gonna have a side part no matter what. So anyways, let me do this. Let's go inside. Right here, I did notice that they don't have any combs, so it just has a adjustable strap. There's right here, two up there, and they do have combs at the top. So there's one comb here, one comb on that side. No lace or anything. You guys can see inside the little lace is from the middle part. This is very well made. This is how the wig looks. I love it. It's comfortable, it's good quality, and yeah, I recommend. So if you guys are looking for a simple, easy wig, I don't have the link to this specific wig because obviously it was a gift, but I will link my Amazon storefront below, so you guys could see like some of the wigs that I purchased over the past years. I will also leave my own boutique, Dassah's Hair Boutique, below as well if you guys want to shop with me directly. I ship, package everything myself, so check those links out. And if you do like this wig and you're interested and you want to support my channel, just make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.